Hi, welcome to my video. Today we are gonna do the main quad on this car, and this is the color that it will be. I tested a little bit here and practiced, so but it looks alright. But yeah, this thing is already wet sanded, but we need to wet sand these doors, and we are gonna start with the wet sanding. Yeah, let's start. Okay, so now we can start painting. Now we can do the glare core. So there came some little bubbles. I think they came from the spraying gun. I don't know what those even are, but there's a lot of them, and here it did a lot of them, and I kinda like, I don't know, got distracted by them, and I sprayed way too much, so there's a little bit of those Valumia, yes, but it's okay, and maybe when I will wax it or whatever it is, it will help. But so I got this door of that thing that it was on, and let's do this door next. Thing is here, so we can start painting. Okay, so this looks alright. Few spots have some scratches and stuff, and yeah, but I think it's very good. Here's something, and overall it's good. And next we can do the clear coat for this door. So let's go. Okay, so guys, I haven't done a lot of filming on here YouTube, but I have done in Instagram, and I did reach 10,000 followers. Big thanks to everyone for that. But I will try to do these YouTube videos, but with school and everything it's kinda hard, but I will try my best. But I have both these white body fenders, cleaned this engine bay. We can put little this rust stop here, but then we can paint the engine bay, and I did paint the roof of the car. Here I got some anti-rust, so I grinded all the rust away, so now we can add this. Now we can let it dry, and then we can add some body filler. Okay, now it has dried, so we can put some body filler on. Now let's let it dry. Let's paint this engine bay of my widebody Mark II Golf. This is how it looks. Looks okay. And I will try tomorrow these spots that have little bit too much body filler or not that much body filler. I will do those spots, and then we can start putting the main layer on. Okay, so now here's after we have painted, here's little bit of these spots that I have put the body filler on, and I haven't sanded them so well, so there's little bit this the holes or scratches, and let's put some body filler over those. Vähän pois. Tässä moottoriklassa on kaikkea. Okay, next we can sand all the body filler off. Okay, so I did little bit bodywork here, so next we can wet sand this firewall first. Then we okay, so this is how this looks now. Now some primer and then little bit wet sanding here, and then we can probably put the main layer on. Okay, so I did wet sand this here all and cleaned it off with my friend. And now we can put the main layer on. This is how the engine bay looks. I think it's okay. There are few these things, but at least it looks like that it hasn't been made like by professional, and it looks like I have done it. And tomorrow I will put the clear coat on. Next we can do the clear coat. Yes, go. Okay, so I sanded all here, so next we can put the primer on. Next I'm gonna wet sand this back area. Okay, so now everything is wet sanded and cleaned, so next we can start spraying the Okay, so this was very good looking boot, PVTs, and then here the old paint reacted with the new one. I didn't sand it so well, so I need to do that again. Next we can put the clear part on.
Mitäs meidän clear part?
This thing looks amazing. I took all those things that were on the roof out. This thing is so cool, and I'm very pleased that I were able to do this at this young. And I think this is the video. Happy New Year! In this video we got these two doors and the whole car's chassis done. So very good progress. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.